guys, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I am Angela, and in today's video I am going to be doing a bloom, using a bloom technique. And basically what I'll do is I'll pour my paint and I will blow it out with air dryer, and then I'll spin it. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you what paint I'm going to use, and I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas. So thank you for being here, and let's get started. Okay guys, here is my 12 by 12 canvas. That there is flush metallic blue green. That I have Prussian blue. There I have premium gold by Artist. And this one here is burnt amber by Liquitex. And that one there is red, and it's crimson red, I'm sorry. Now these are the paint. I've already mixed them up really good and put them on small pourable cups. And for base, I'm gonna use Glidden. It's pretty thick, but I might just pour it like that. I haven't added any water in it. It's actually not that bad. It's pourable. Not too thick, not too thin. So I will try that and see how it flows once I move my paint. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for the base, and I'm not gonna use too much because too much would just be a waste, because I am going to be blowing out the paint anyway towards the corners of the canvas. So if I need more paint, I'm just gonna go ahead and add paint around my pour or my puddle. Okay, let's go ahead and get the puddle started here. I'm just gonna pour the paint straight from the bottles. And so that was the blue, the Prussian blue. That was the crimson red. And then next will be the flush blue green. That's a metallic color, so I'm hoping that it will kind of make the painting a little bit glittery, like a little bit what's the word? A little bit glossy. And that is my burnt amber. And now I'm gonna try to layer it one more time, just do another layer of the same paint. And I haven't used the gold here, but I'm gonna do the add the gold later on, because as you guys know, my paintings are always have some kind of gold in them. So yeah, I'll make sure that I don't forget to put my gold on there. Okay, so there we go with the gold. And again, you guys, I am doing voiceovers because my kids were awake when I was painting this, and you know, they were being kids, having fun. So I didn't want to ask them to stop playing, but it wouldn't have worked anyway, even if I had tried, because you know, kids will be kids. Kids wants to make noise. I have twins, a boy and girl. They're 10 years old, and you know, they like to play. So most of my paintings, I do voiceovers because of that reason. So I hope you guys, I hope you guys don't mind my voiceovers, and sometimes they don't sync, but that's what I have right now. And that's what I'm working with right now. When I have time, it's, you know, guys know, when I have time, I I show my face. I'm telling you what I'm doing on, you know, at that particular time. But you know, I'm just doing voiceover right now. Again, I'm finished with my puddle, and I am going to use a black cell activator to put it on top of the paint, and then I'll use my blow dryer to blow it out and see if I will get some cells and stuff like that. So yeah, hang in there, guys. I'm using 2 cell activators. I'm gonna use the white, which is Pure White by Amsterdam, and usually what I do is I add a little bit of Deco Art Satin Enamels on there. And if you want to see how I mix my paint and also how I make my cell activators, please check this video right above here, and you will you'll be glad you did, because it's very informative, and you can learn how to mix your paint. I know I did it about a year ago. I need to also update my my paint mixing, but this technique that I used, the measurement and everything, they still work, because that's what I use still. So check that out, and yeah, check it out, and I hope that you will be able to use some of that information to mix your paint, and I hope that they will work for you. Okay, so right now I'm just kind of spreading the my paint to the corners of the canvas. That way, like I had said earlier, I was gonna add a little bit of paint. That way, when I move my paint with a blow dryer, it will have some movement. It will have some to move it, some paint to move it. Because if I don't put enough, then my bloom will not look good. So first, I just put the white cell activator down, and now I just put the black oxide by Amsterdam cell activator down, and then now I use my blow dryer. I will just go ahead and turn it high. I'll turn it high, but with low heat. That is very, very important. The heat has to be very low, or no heat at all, and the setting will be high. It has to be high. That way you have enough force to move the paint. If it's too low, the paint might not move. So that's why I put it high. All right, so it's kind of looking pretty good right now. It is really, really cool. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. All right, there we go. And I like the way, if you look on the petals, like there's a petal like right, I wish I can point it out for you, but if you look at the petals that I put the blow dryer too close to the painting, it reached down to the white, and wow, look at those cells developing. Yeah, like that. Like that one, I just did. I just kind of put a lot of pressure on there, like a lot of force on there, and you can see the white, the base white paint. It's producing cells, and they're coming out very, very, very good, very beautiful. I mean, the cell activators is also working, but I actually didn't want too many cells developing. But yeah, whatever I've got right now, it looks really, really awesome, and I love it. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it kind of sit and develop, and if there are any cells that are coming up, let them come up. I'm probably need to add a little bit of another cell activator, but this time just white. And I did, and my camera kind of died on me so when I was doing it, so I did add some white cell activator and blow it out a little bit and let it sit. So this is what I have. This is what I have right now, and I love it. It's really beautiful, and especially in person, it's beautiful painting. But yeah, this is this one here is wet results, and I will show you dry results when it is dry. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned.